This quick little tutorial is just to show you how to assign homework with the shared calendars that we have on the left hand side. You can see there. So it is Monday today. You can see no homework's been assigned for any of these classes that are highlighted at the moment on the left menu there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a homework here for, say, math class. Okay, and we're also going to put in here the assignment and also how long you think it's going to take your students to complete this. And we're setting it for 6A, and we just also want to put the due date. So we've set it for starting tomorrow. It's going to be assigned, and if we click on here we can have the due date as Friday. Then all we have to do, we put up here 90 minutes again, 90 minutes, and save. And so we've got this in here. This is the time span. It's almost like a Gantt chart. So, but what we really want to be able to do is get a visual of how much time is being spent by the students, so they don't get, too much of a good thing. A visual will really help us. So what we're going to do is for 6A again, we're going to type in here the homework. Okay, so assignment 1. And I'm going to create that event. Now, because it's only 90 minutes, what we can do is we can shorten this, but we can also, instead of having to do it for each of these 3 days, because it is due on the Friday, what we can do is go copy to my calendar. So unfortunately, this is always going to default to your main calendar, so you're going to have to be careful that you are selecting the right one here. And we're selecting 4. And then what we're doing here is we're having to choose for each day for these half-hour sessions. So we save, got one there, do the same thing again, copy to my calendar, and then just add the next day, 6A, and save again. Now if you were wanting to add something for another class, okay, let's say that you had 6B the next day, or the day before, let's say they had it the day before, and you were wanting to assign homework for them, you can copy to the calendar. It may probably be the same assignment, but you're going to assign it to the other class, so 6B, and we're going to add to today's date there and save, and you can see it's a different color because we have different colors selected for each class. Then what will happen is if you come along from another subject and you see maybe a stack of these for, let's say, just the 6A class, so we'll turn the other ones off. You can see the 6B homework has disappeared now. Let's say you've got a stack in here, then it's probably not a good day to have a due date on a Friday. Okay, you may want to, if you've got a major project due, you might want to try and assign it for another week. Okay, if you have any other questions, you know how to contact me.